Before you start building any web app or mobile app, one thing is very important. You need a clear visual idea of how your app is going to look. Because without proper UI UX, you may have the best app idea but user will still feel confused. Usually we spend hours searching the internet for a design inspiration, creating a mockups, trying a different layouts, changing a colors, testing a component, and still the final result doesn't look perfect. But what if there was a tool that could help you to generate a beautiful UI UX design in a second? Not just one random screen, I'm talking about the complete app screen, clear layout, modern components, and production ready design idea, all from one simple prompt. Let me introduce Flowstep.ai. Flowstep help you quickly generate UI UX design for web apps and mobile apps using AI. But the best part is it's not only generating a designs. You can directly edit any components on the screen instead of regenerating the entire design again and again. You can collaborate with your teammates, refine your design faster, export anything to a Figma, and even get React code from your UI. So whether you are developer, startup founder, designer, or someone building a new app idea, Flowstep can help you to go from idea to visual design much faster. In this video, I will show you how Flowstep works, how to generate app UI screen, customize them and use them in a real project workflow. So let's get started. This is their landing screen, and if you see some of the use cases with this Flowstep, you can simply upload your design guidance, then you can write what you want, and then Flowstep will generate the beautiful ready to export UI for you. Also, you can even collaborate the project with your friends or with your teammate. So at once you can collaborate and build the UI for your application, and it generates the design very fast. In a second you will get a beautiful professional design. Then you can edit with the AI as well as you can edit with the manually. So you can select the component and you can edit only those components. Once you design the complete UI with the help of Flowstep, you have option to export into Figma as well, and it just instantly. And you can generate a multiple screen at once. So each of the details and the complete example we are gonna see. But simply click the link in the description to get a free access to the Flowstep. I will put the link in the description. Now simply sign into the Flowstep. After you sign in, you will jump onto this welcome screen. Now you have a quick example to generate a dashboard, landing page, or even mobile application. Now in this case we are going to generate a mobile app design for a budget tracker. So here we'll say generate budget tracker mobile app UI UX, a mobile app design for onboarding and home screen. Okay, so that's all we need to write. Obviously if you give more details, you can upload some image references if you have any, then it will automatically detect that, it will understand it, and then it will generate it. It's a act like a complete AI agent. And then so I just enter this and then we'll say generate. So let's say generate, and then it will automatically start generating. First it will understand your requirements, then AI agent will work on it, and then it will start generating in a real time. And if you see, it's already generating both the screen, for one for the onboarding and other for the home screen. And you will see the live real time UI UX generation on this particular canvas. And over here if you see, it already start generating. Pretty cool, right? Now we'll wait for the complete output and then we'll walk through it. I will also show you how you can edit some specific component so that you can make the changes to a specific component instead of regenerating the complete page. And if you see in real time, it start implementing the UI UX for your app design. And that's how I used to design my app before implementing or creating any project. once it is generated, you will see now two screens are generated. Over here, if you want to make any change, you can just tell to the Flowstep.ai to make the change. Now, the interesting part, if you hover on any of these and just select any component on the right hand side, it will open a panel to make the changes. You will also see the complete code for that particular screen. Just select the screen and here you will get the React code. You have option to download this as well, or you can simply copy this code and paste it inside your actual project. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you want to edit, you can have an option like, let's say you want to switch to a dark theme or make it pretty or try a different layout. You will see all of this option, right? So you don't need to even type it. Now, also, if you want to export into Figma, you can just click to export to Figma and then it will simply copy it and then you can paste it inside your Figma design. I will show you later on how it actually works once you copy it. Then if you want to download this as a PNG file, simply download it and then it will download the complete screen as a PNG. And once you open, you will see the complete downloaded result. Pretty cool, right? Then obviously you have option to export to a code and then it will automatically download the zip file for you. Now let's focus on editing some specific component. So you can either directly click on it or you have option to select this icon, okay, from the bottom and select whichever thing you want. So over here, let's select this particular card and we want to show a donut progress, okay, or donut chart. So you can simply select that component and inside this prompt box you can add change this card spent progress to donut chart to show category wise expense, okay, and then simply send this message and now you will get an updated result as well. It's totally up to you how you want. It will automatically take that you want to change inside this existing component, so it will only update the existing page. And then if you see, it's already started understanding your requirements. On the left hand side you will see the changes and then it will update this particular card. And if you see in real time how beautifully it updated to a donut chart. It's still working on some quick fixes, okay, it making sure that everything is aligned properly. And this is not just a random data is putting in, it's putting a real data. If you see the food which is of $620 and same thing it's showing, so your application content and data will be consistent, okay. And here our screen is updated with these changes which we requested. Pretty cool. Now let's say you want to extend this app screen to a different pages. Now let's say you want to create 3 more screen for the analytics, budget and profile. So inside this you can simply say, now let's create 3 more screen for analytics, budget and profile screen, okay. So here if you want you have any attachment, you can just upload those. Otherwise you're good over here. Let's say screen, I will just change the spelling and then simply send this message. As simple as that, right? You don't need to add a very proper prompt or any difficult prompt. Immediately with the help of a Flowstep, it will understand your requirements. It will take a reference of the existing generated screen and then you will see at the same time I can generate a multiple screen with the Flowstep. That's how powerful it is. And the most important thing, you can see the live preview, you will see the live implementation and it is very, very quick. And here you will see the complete pages for a different requested screen, right? Right now, obviously I have requested analytics page, budget page and profile page and it's working on those. And here we have the final result. We have the analytics screen, okay. Here it will show this beautiful bar graph, then the spending breakdown under this analytics section only, and then we have monthly spent as well. Then we have budget section with a proper assigned budget to each of the category, and then we also have this beautiful profile section as well with all the setting options. Everything is implemented and showing in the UI UX very professional. Pretty cool, right? Now if you want to change the theme, anything, you can also do that. The another interesting part, once you select the screen, if you want to change this layout, how it looks on the iPad, different screen size, you can just change it something like this. See, you can extend it. If you want to make some changes, let's say you want to change this particular name, right? Here we'll say profile overview. You can give any name. See, now once you manually update, it will reflect it automatically. You can even change the color of any text. You can change the font, or you can even change the size. Everything can possible through this sidebar. Just select the item which you want to edit manually and you can update it very easily. Okay, or you can simply tell to the Flowstep.ai to add it. Now let's say you want to add one more screen where you can add an option to add the budget or spending. So here we'll say create new screen to add expenses and budget, or not budget, but let's say expenses, and let's say expenses only, right? So that you will get a form where you can upload it. Let's send this one, and then AI agent will automatically start understanding it first, and then it will start implementing that new screen. So right now if you see, it's already started generating the new screen for us. And here we go. If you see, we have this beautiful form to add the expenses. You will see an option to select a different category. You can add a description, and if you want to extend this little bit, you can obviously have option to expand this. Okay, or you can even tell to then Flowstep to add more details. But right now it looks good to me. Okay, and that's how easily you can generate a multiple screen, and whenever you want, you can add those screen as well. Now you also have an option to export this complete project. So once you click on export, you will see an option if you want to export something, some selected, or you can export complete canvas. Okay, you can export as a PNG file as well, or you can export to a Figma or export as a code. Everything can possible. Obviously, whenever you select any item, right, on the right hand side for that particular component as well, it will generate a code for you. So over here we have the code for that particular card, so that you can implement directly inside your React project. Okay, so here the card is for that selected card. You will see the code, just copy it and paste it. You can even select the item which you want to use inside your project, or you can tell an AI agent to update that particular item completely. So that's how, guys, you have to use the Flowstep. Now the one last important part, I want to show that how it looks inside the Figma. When you click export to Figma, right, simply go to the Figma. Once it copy your design, now once you copy, we'll go back to the Figma and then paste it. Pretty cool, right? Now you can even select any card, something like this, right? It's not just exporting as a PNG or image, it actually export it in proper component, and you can update inside your Figma design. Pretty cool, right? So what do you think about this Flowstep? As this Flowstep, I use it for my all personal project, to design my UI UX for all the apps, and it give me a very good result. And you want to try it, this Flowstep, I will put the link in the description. It's free to try, so you can check it out. If you have any question, any doubt, you can always reach out to me on my Discord channel, Instagram, or you can comment down in this particular video. If you really like this video and the product, press like button, share this video with your friends and family, and thank you so much for the Flowstep for sponsoring this video. Flowstep, I like it a lot, and I'm using this Flowstep from long time. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video again, and we'll see you in the next video.